All right, let's get started. The first step is to soak the salt cod. You'll need a mixing bowl. First, remove the excess salt from the surface of the salt cod and briefly rinse with water. Put the salt cod into the bowl, add chilled water, and leave it to soak for at least 2 hours. Next, you'll need a saucepan to boil the potato. Put the unpeeled potato into the saucepan and cover with plenty of water. Put the saucepan over high heat. When the water begins to boil, reduce the heat. Boil for about 20 minutes until the potato is soft. Remove the potato using a straining ladle and drain the water. The next step is to mash the potato. You'll need a dish towel, a mixing bowl, and a potato masher. Use the dish towel to hold the potato and peel off the skin while it's still hot. Put the potato in the bowl. Mash the potato with a potato masher until there are no lumps. Next, prepare a cutting board and a sharp kitchen knife to finely chop the garlic. Peel the garlic. Finely chop the peeled garlic. Drain the water from the salt cod. Remove the skin, then gently break up the flesh with your hands and discard any bones. That's it for preparations. The next step is to simmer the salt cod in milk and mix it with the mashed potato. You'll need a saucepan and plastic wrap. Put the salt cod, garlic, and milk into the saucepan and place it over moderate heat. Once it is boiled, reduce to low heat and sprinkle in the flour. Reduce the sauce until it has thickened. Stir the bottom of the pan thoroughly so that the sauce doesn't burn. Turn off the heat. Add the creamed salt cod to the mashed potato and mix it in. Season with some salt and pepper, then allow it to cool. Once the mixture has cooled, cover the bowl with plastic wrap and place it in the refrigerator to chill. Next, shape the croquettes. You'll need a deep dish or tray. Shape the cooled potato mixture into bite-sized croquettes and place them in the deep dish. The next step is to coat the croquettes. You'll need 3 dishes. Put the beaten egg, the flour, and the breadcrumbs into separate dishes. Prepare enough to coat all the croquettes. Coat the croquettes with flour and gently shake off any excess. Dip the croquettes in the beaten egg. After you've coated the croquettes in egg, cover them in breadcrumbs. Now it's time to deep fry the croquettes. You'll need a pan for deep frying, a deep dish, and paper towels. Line the deep dish with paper towels. Pour enough oil into the pan to cover the croquettes and heat it to 350 degrees. Add the croquettes to the hot oil one by one and deep fry them. When the croquettes start to become crisp, turn them and continue to fry until they float to the surface. Place the croquettes on top of the paper towels and allow the excess oil to drain off. Place the croquettes on a serving dish and garnish with Italian parsley. They're ready to eat. Well done!